Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a GIF file to your Google Slides presentation. Now, I want to put this GIF, which is the popular Simpson hiding into the bushes, that I want to put in my presentation. Now, normally, you could just right click on the image and then you can copy the image and then you can right click on your presentation and paste the image. But that doesn't work for a GIF file because we want to make sure that the GIF is actually playing. Now, to do that, we have to try something else. There are two methods. The first method is we have to get the URL of this GIF animation. To get the URL, you just need to right click on the image and then open image in new tab. This allows us to verify that the extension is indeed .gif. Otherwise, it's not a GIF file. And after that, you can select all the elements of the URL like that, and then right click, copy, go back to Google Slides and go to insert, click image and click by URL. And here you can paste the URL of the GIF file and then you can click insert image. This will ensure that the file is being inserted as a proper animation and it can be played throughout your presentation. And that's exactly what we want. But there is also another method that is a bit more longer, but it is simpler for many people. Now you just need to download this image to your computer. You just need to right click and then save image, and then you can save it. And now you can just upload the file normally. You can also just click and drag the file to your presentation and it will be uploaded like that. So yeah, that there are two methods you can try. First by the URL and secondly by manually uploading the file. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful.